Today we're going to paint a Suillus mushroom. It has light colors and its shape is similar to the porcini mushroom. The new thing we're trying today is painting some grass at the base of the stem. So this can be seen when the mushroom is not cut but pulled from the ground, and it's a nice addition to the illustration. These mushrooms are also called slippery jacks because the cap can sometimes be slimy. Not all species from this particular mushroom are edible. So for this one, we can also see the bottom side of the cap. This is what I'm drawing now. And now I draw the central line for the stem. I need it just to make sure I draw the stem in the middle of the cap. After that, I will erase it. It actually starts from here. Let's remove the excess lines. I will start by weighting only the top part of the cap. And as I said, this mushroom is pretty light, so I need to take some more of those pencil lines. I will use this warm yellow. I drop it in the white area. Let's add some warm brown to that. I'm adding it here. Again, I will try to protect the upper right corner. I imagine this is where the light comes from, so I want it to stay very light. I'm wiping the colors with my damp brush. Let's add more concentrated brown now. I will try to wipe some of that color again. And now I'm taking darker brown and I'll drop it here on the edge. It creates a nice effect. With the down brush, I will smudge some of it. And again, I'm lifting some of that color here. Let's continue with the bottom part of the cap. I mix watery yellowish paint and I add it to the entire area. I try to leave a tiny gap here and there so the brown doesn't flow everywhere, just in some parts. But it spreads more than I anticipated, so I'm trying to fix it by going over it with a clean brush. Here next to the stem I will add darker colors. It creates a nice volume. I will also try some lines like that, following the shape of the cap. Let's paint the stem now. Using the same watery mix to form yellow, I covered the entire stem with it. I will now add some brown here on the left side below the cap and here next to the bottom part where the grass will be. I'm shading the left side of the stem slightly. I'm taking my small brush and with the dark brown I'm going over this part here. Now it looks better. Some dots on the cap. Some texture, the same way we did so far with every mushroom and leaf. I will add dark brown here to increase the contrast. The paint is very thick and my brush is almost dry. I smudge it a bit with the tan brush. Adding some more of those lines here below. Smudging again with the tan brush. I will add some lines to the stem for texture. some darker ones here on the left. I will darken this part a bit. With the dark brown, I will go over this edge here. I'm mixing dark brown with brown and some blue. And with that, I will paint some lines here at the base, so these may be tiny branches or parts of some kind of moss. And some green. I will mix it with the light yellow here to make it more natural. And we'll take some of this green too. It's very light and fresh. I'll start with it. Just painting some tiny lines and dots. Some dry brush marks. And I will take the dark green now and we'll add some of it here and there. Some random spots. And with a mix of blue and brown, I will darken this part, as if there is some dirt. Final touches with the light green. It's very opaque, so I can use it on top of the darker colors. Some splatters with the dark mix. And the mushroom is ready. I'm writing the name. And I will remove the paper tape.